Hello, this is Unlock 3, listening and speaking for B1. This is week 4, day 5. In this video, we focus on key vocabulary to help you understand listening to. We are doing it a little differently this time. You are going to get a spelling challenge. What you will do is this. You will listen to words and you will have a chance to repeat them for pronunciation practice. This will happen 3 times. You listen, repeat. Listen again, repeat again. And listen again, repeat again. After that, you will have 10 seconds to write the word before the second one begins. So now, pause the video, grab a piece of paper and a pen, and write down the numbers from 1 to 9. When you are ready, come back and we will start the spelling challenge. Okay, here we go. We are going to start the spelling challenge now. This is number 1. Listen and repeat. Founded, founded, founded. Now you have 10 seconds to write the word. Okay, the word was founded. It is the past form of the word found. Please don't confuse it with find. Find is another word, found is another word. To understand the meaning of these, look at these 2 pictures. What's the relationship between this man and this country? You can say that Ibn Saud founded the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia in 1932. So he founded Saudi Arabia. Founded. Number 2. Conquered. 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 Now you have 10 seconds to write the word. Okay, the word is conquered. It is the past form of the word conquer. This is a map of the Roman Empire. Roman Empire started here in a little city, the city of Rome in Italy. But can you see how big they got? It means that the army of the city got so powerful, they attacked other parts of Europe, they attacked some parts of South Africa and some parts of the Middle East, and they took people's lands from them. Ancient Romans conquered most parts of Europe, as you can see in this map, the northern parts of Africa, here, and some land in the Middle East, here. Conquered. Number 3. Period. 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 Now you have 10 seconds to write the word. The word is period. Period is about time. Imagine that this red line is time. And between this point and this point in time, so between 2 points in time, you have a time period. So between this and this duration or this time span is a period. And it is usually called time period. Roman Empire was the most powerful civilization in the world for a period of 1,000 years. So Roman Empire was the most powerful civilization in the world for 1,000 years, a period of 1,000 years. Period. Number 4, Middle Ages. Middle Ages. Middle Ages. Do you hear 2 words? Okay, you have 10 seconds to write the words. The word is Middle Ages. The phrase is Middle Ages. The Middle Ages, when you talk about the Middle Ages, you should think about the time period from 476 to 1453. So the Middle Ages was a time period from the year 476 to 1453. The Middle Ages. Number 5, defenses. 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 10 seconds to write the word. What was the word? Defenses. Defenses. Maybe you have heard this word, defense or defenses, from football, if you are interested in football. But we are talking about history. So what is the word defenses in history? This is a wall from a castle. If you think about old castles, they have big, strong walls. Why do they have big, strong walls? To stop enemy armies. So this is their defenses, to stop other people attacking the city. Defenses. Ancient cities had strong stone walls to improve their defenses against armies of other cities. So let's take a look at number 6. Protected. 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 10 seconds to write now. What was the word? Protected. Protected is ed. It is the past form of the verb protect. This man is wearing a face mask. Why is he wearing a face mask? If you're sick, you should wear a face mask to protect other people from the viruses coming from your mouth. If you are sick, you should wear a face mask to protect other people, to save other people from something. Protected. So let's look at number 7 now. Took over. Took over. Took over. So this is 2 words. So it's a phrase. 10 seconds to write the phrase. All right, the phrase was took over, and this is the past form of take over. What does take over mean? The word take might give you an idea. This is an old map of the city Constantinople. Do you see these big, strong walls around the city? This is their defenses. But in 1453, somebody called Mehmet II came, and because this was as you see here, this was a Christian city. Mehmet II came here and he had a fight with this city, and he won the fight, and he entered the city and he took over the city. After he took over the city, this city became a Muslim city. Mehmet II of the Ottoman Empire took over Constantinople in 1453. Took over. The next word, number 8, ruled. 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 10 seconds begins now. The word was ruled, and this is the past of rule. It's a verb. What does rule mean? Do you know this man? Adolf Hitler. Adolf Hitler ruled Germany for a period of 12 years from 1933 to 1945. So between these 3 years, he was at the top of Germany. Adolf Hitler ruled Germany. Rule. Do you remember the word ruler? Ruler is another word which means king or sultan. And this guy ruled Germany for a period of 12 years. Your last word is empire. 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 Okay, try to write the word in 10 seconds. Okay, the word is empire. If you are interested in video games and you have a habit of playing video games, you might have seen this in the title of a video game, Empire. Empire is, it means a political or economic power which controls other countries or other places. Think about the Roman Empire. Rome is a little city in Italy. The Roman Empire was the biggest and strongest political power in the world for 1000 years. So when we say empire, like the Roman Empire, it means it's a power, political power or economic power, which controls other parts, different countries, different regions, and it's very large. Please go to page 58 now. Pause the video here. Read these sentences and match the words in bold with their definitions, A, B, or C. The words here and their definitions here. The words here and their definitions here. So pause the video, do the exercise, and come back to check the answers. Here are the answers in 3, 2, 1. All right. Let's look at this little paragraph. The Ottoman Empire was founded in 1299 and lasted until 1922. During this period, the Ottoman rulers conquered many cities and countries. So these 3 words appear in this little text, and these are the definitions to help you remember. Number 2, in the Middle Ages, Constantinople was famous for its defenses. A double wall protected the city from its enemies. Here are the words, and here are their definitions to help you remember again. Mehmed II is sometimes called Mehmed the Conqueror because he took over the city of Constantinople. He ruled the Ottoman Empire until 1481. So these three words again, and their definitions here. Can you write some sentences in your notebook about the history of your country using these words? This is very important. Look at these words again and try to try to write a few sentences about the history of your country using them. This will help you understand them better and you will not forget these words again. In this video, we focused on key vocabulary on the topic of history. Now you can go to the next video to do the listening exercise number 2.